What's up, y'all? Get in here where there's no wind. Maybe it's a little echoey in here. Maybe it's not good. Robin and I are sick of working every day, even though we only work 3 days a week. But we're starting a business so we can make some more money. And I know you think you got a trailer probably doing construction something. Nope. Even cooler. We're gonna sell sodas, just like the Mormons. Yep. That's our business plan. We moved out here to Colorado. We noticed there's no soda shops except for Ziggy's is a little coffee chain, but they got a couple dirty sodas. But we saw an opportunity and we're gonna try and capitalize. Bought this here trailer. Needs a bit of work. It was apparently it was used to haul oil. So we're gonna tear it all apart, fix it all up. You know how it goes. You've seen the videos before. And we're gonna sell some freaking sodas out of here, so we don't have to deliver any more packages. January 15th. 60 degrees out.
A narrow 15. Yeah, that is insane, bro. The weather is fucked.
In Colorado? I thought this was Colorado. They lied to me about what Colorado was my whole life. Travis Johnson. Boy, got the Wranglers on.
Bro.
You're fitted.
Damn, come on, buddy.
You gotta learn the finesse with the trigger on there.
With what?
With the trigger.
Come on.
The drill, you know?
Yeah. See this one, I got a screw behind the window frame.
Behind the window? We're gonna have to take the window off.
Yeah.
Damn, bro, you gotta learn. Just be gentle with it.
Hey, bro. It's like a fucking Porsche, bro. It's like a Ferrari, okay?
Boy, got a trigger finger. My trigger finger itching. First piece out. I win the race.
First piece out.
Oh my god, oh my god.
Whoa.
Forgot.
Whoa, dude. I took the screws out of the top of that one. That's not even
Oh, well, that's probably what happened then.
Well, I left one in the top. But
Yeah, I guess I
should've
got
left
to that one.
Should have left one in the middle top.
Where's our cup?
Wait. You couldn't get the bottom. Oh, the bottom. I'm saying the bottom little wood piece stapled in. You need those all off or no?
Well, eventually, but.
Oh, eventually. To get them out.
Yeah, but you need the knife.
No electric.
No.
Oh, that didn't work. No, I don't have what I was gonna say.
You guys see the progress being made here?
No, she doesn't have it out though. That's not.
Trexter. Oh my god. Oh my god, we just did a damn wheelie.
I didn't even fucking feel what was happening.
Whop that thing. Oh, don't let it slam down.
Oh shit, I see.
Try and be gentle when it slams down. Oh yeah. Easy. Hey, how are you?
I didn't know it was out all the way. Oh, my bad. I'm blind. Shit.
Blind as hell, boy.
I was looking right over here. Not far enough. Swipe. Swipe. Oh, it's right over here. Right there.
Well, that one's free. Oh, don't do that.
Don't hurt the walls.
Walls will dent easy. There was one over there.
Is it gonna? Oh. Big pry bar. That'll work.
I'm like, I want to take this thing to the car wash. And like, while we have it like this, you know?
Me too.
Well, too late now, we're in the home stretch.
Yeah. You coming?
No.
Damn, that shit is so oily on the bottom.
Yeah, it's bad.
Gives you a little shine.
Holy shit. We're back, day 2. Wind is ripping. Okay, wait, here, bring it towards me. Gotta be straight. Yup, okay. Oh, yeah, that's the ticket right there. Good morning. I'm sitting here editing this video, and I'm realizing there's no outro. So this is it. 7 a.m. Bodie and I are in here editing. We ended with that. Finished insulating. We threw those last 2 floor pieces down. And now we're currently waiting on our debit card for our business account so we can start ordering stuff. So that is the update for you. We waiting on our debit card. Got to order all the plumbing, sinks. Jesus, I don't even know. There's so much electrical. Got to wire all the electrical. I don't know how to do that. But yeah, the next video will be starting on that, I assume. I can show you the floor plan. Here's what we're working with. See here? Door, back door, soda machine, counter, till, window, serving window, other window, counter, flavorings, sink, utility room, soda bibs over here, you know, just water heater, That's what we're working with. I forgot I was supposed to talk into the mic. That's what we're working with. How's it look? Let me know if you got any recommendations. We're back. Actually, the next video might be snowboard video. I think we're going snowboarding. We'll be back after that. It's cold, though. Let me show you. Brr.